seen yesterday. Have you all solved that problem?
Yes.
Okay. So just wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute so that I can show that problem. So now to find out. So from the equation, it's okay. So I am going to share the screen for yesterday's problem, which we have discussed. So this was the problem. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you see the problem which I have shared?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question was, as it is already seen, you can see that the singleton modulating signal was there. So the problem was, it is cos 15 pi 10 power 3t, carrier of 10 megahertz, frequency deviation of 75 kilohertz. So you have to find out the modulation index, and instead of this modulation index, you have to find out the the next part of the question which I have written, I think, where it is. So the first part was clear, I think.
Yes, sir. Second part was.
So in the first part, you have to first find out the FM, the modulation index. So for modulation index, we have seen this much. Okay. So this was the modulation index, del F by FM. Okay. So this we have seen. The next part of the question is, you have to find out the frequencies when the modulation index is 100. Okay. Okay. So this much. So in this part, another signal. So if another signal which produces MI of 100 while maintaining the same deviation, find frequency and amplitude of the modulating signal, assuming KF is equal to this. So the data what we have the modulation index. We have the modulation index. MF is given 100 here while maintaining the same deviation. So deviation was given. Del F is also given.
The left
It was given
75.
Yeah, it is 75 kilohertz. Find the frequency amplitude modulating signal if KF. So KF is also given. Frequency sensitivity is also given 15 kilohertz per volt. Okay. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the
Modulating frequency.
modulating frequency. Find the frequency and amplitude of the modulating signal. Frequency and amplitude, that is, we have to find out FM. We have to find out VM.
AM.
Yeah, maybe AM and AM or VM. Different type of notification may be there of the modulating signal. So we have to find this one. So can we found this one using these three data? So we have to find out FM and VM. So based on this, what we have del F. We have del F, and what we know, the value of del F is what? Del F is what?
Modulation index into FM.
Yeah, modulation index.
Okay.
So what we have told, modulation index into FM. Okay, so del F is known, MF is known, and FM is not known. So we have to find out this. Okay, so we know del F, we know MF, so we can easily find out FM. And also we know that del F is equal to KF into what? What is the value of del F? What is the value of del F?
75 kilohertz.
No.
So
So
75 kilohertz.
kilohertz, but the formula for del F is frequency deviation is KF of XT. We have seen that now. So KF of VM. So the general form was KF of XT max. इसका जो maximum value होगा. So KF of XT max means यहाँ पर XT max क्या है? XT max वो VM दिया हुआ, जो VM हमें निकालना है. VM is the maximum modulating signal, maximum amplitude of the modulating signal. So here we know del F, here we know KF. So we have to find out VM. Can it be easily found? Okay. So in this way we can see that. So what is the value of FM we are finding here? FM is del F. What is del F? It is 75 kilohertz. And MF is what? It is 100. So what is the value of FM?
100.
It is
750
50 what? Unit?
hertz.
Yeah, it is hertz. And what about VM? What is the value of VM? VM is a del F. What is del F? It is 75 kilohertz. And KF is what? 15 kilohertz per volt. So 15 kilohertz per volt means ये कितना हो गया? Kilohertz cancel 15 15 So is it 5 volt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have find out that the modulating signal or modulating voltage is 5 volt, and FM, the modulating frequency is 750 hertz. What was the frequency of the carrier? What was the frequency of the carrier? So have we seen the frequency of the carrier? Signal this, modulating signal this. So modulating signal जो पहले ये था, यहाँ पर पहले वाले में हमें क्या FM का वैल्यू पता था? एक्चुअली ये जो कैलकुलेशन वाला पार्ट हम देख रहे हैं ना यहाँ पर, ये अभी वाले प्रॉब्लम के लिए है। हम जो ये पार्ट अभी देख रहे हैं, अभी हमने क्या लिखा, अभी हमने ये सारा डेटा लिखा है। तो ये सारा जो डेटा हमने लिखा है, ये जो नेक्स्ट बी पार्ट है उसके लिए है। इसे आप इसे में नहीं समझोगे कि यहाँ है। एक्चुअली मैंने स्क्रीन पर लिखा है ना, और मैं जो एक वीडियो चला रहा हूँ कल वाला, उस पर मैंने राइट किया है। सो जो अभी मैंने लिखा है वो हर एक जगह दिखेगा, चाहे मैं वीडियो कहीं भी ले जाऊँ, वो दिखेगा। ओके, सो उसके लिए परेशान नहीं होना है। तो हमें यहाँ पर से क्या दिख रहा है, मॉड्यूलेटिंग एम्पलीट्यूड कितना दिख रहा है, सिंगल टोन
किलोहर्ट्ज।
हाँ, मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल का यहाँ पर एम्पलीट्यूड क्या दिख रहा है। पहले पार्ट ए में, ये पार्ट ए था,
1
यहाँ पर मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल, यहाँ पर वीएम कितना है, 1,
1
और यहाँ पर एफएम कितना है,
FM
15/7.5
7.5
या इट इज 7.5 watt,
kilohertz.
kilohertz.
yeah, it is 7.5 kilohertz. So you can see very easily that when the modulate, so in this case पहले वाले केस में मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स का वैल्यू कितना आया था, कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी। पहले वाले पार्ट ए के लिए मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स का वैल्यू कितना आया था, 10 आया था। ओके, सो जब मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स का वैल्यू 10 आया था, तब हमारा मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल और एफएम का वैल्यू क्या था, एफएम का वैल्यू इस केस में ज्यादा था, 7.5 किलोहर्ट्ज। ओके, और जब हमने क्या किया, जब हमने मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स को काफी बढ़ा दिया, तब उस केस में फॉर द सेम डेविएशन, इतना ही डेविएशन पहले भी था और यही डेविएशन अभी भी है पार्ट बी में भी, लेकिन हमने चेंज क्या किया, हमने चेंज किया है मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स को। सो हियर when we have increased the modulation index by 10 times, the what you are observing about FM,
बहुत कम हो गया।
कितना कम हो गया। अगर हमारे पास अभी जो मिला है FM, वो कितना मिला है
सर, अभी मेरा 750 हर्ट्ज, तो
हर्ट्ज है। तो अगर इसको हम लोग किलो हर्ट्ज में लिखेंगे तो कितना होगा, 0.750 किलो हर्ट्ज होगा, आई थिंक।
यस सर,
होगा ना।
यस।
तो अभी यहाँ क्या
Yes,
देख रहे हो, कितना टाइम्स बढ़ गया। अगर इस डेसिमल को यहाँ ले आए तब ये इतना आ जाएगा ना, 7.5 किलो हर्ट्ज, मतलब 10 टाइम्स बढ़ गया। तो
यस सर,
मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स को 10 टाइम्स बढ़ा रहे हैं, इन दैट केस द मॉड्यूलेटिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी शुड आल्सो इंक्रीज बाय 10 टाइम्स फॉर मेकिंग द डेविएशन सेम। डेविएशन सेम रखने के लिए अगर हम मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स को 10 टाइम्स बढ़ा रहे हैं तो एफएम को भी 10 टाइम्स बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, so this was the conclusion which I want your concentration to be there. So now we are going to the next part of the syllabus. So, new share. Okay. So yesterday we have seen narrowband FM, and we have found out the value of the 1 minute. Wait for a minute. Narrowband FM angle modulation. Okay, so can you see the notes? Frequency deviation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we have seen yesterday, we have seen the frequency deviation. Firstly, we have seen the frequency deviation. So the frequency deviation was nothing but the deviation from the central frequency, that is carrier frequency from in the positive direction as well as the negative direction. Negative sir कहने का क्या मतलब था? That decrease in the value of the frequency of the carrier signal. Okay, so we have seen the deviation as well as we have seen the frequency modulation. There are two types, narrow band and wide band. So when we said narrow band, when the value of kf is small, then we say it is a narrow band signal, and the wide band when kf is some appreciable amount. So we have found out the expression for narrow band FM, and we have also found out the single tone FM signal, the expression for single tone frequency modulation, where we have seen this expression S of FM is equal to A cos omega CT plus MF sin of omega MT. Now this was the expression for narrow band FM, where the modulation index should be less than 0.5, and for wide band FM it should be greater than 0.5. So we have seen the narrow band FM equation for narrow band FM like this. Okay. Now we will deal with the wide band FM. Can you see the wide band frequency modulation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सर थोड़ा जूम कीजिए ना.
Yeah, zoom कर रहा हूँ. So it is wide band frequency modulation. तो इसमें वाइड बैंड फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेशन में एक मैथमेटिकल टूल की जरूरत होती है जो जिसे हम कहते हैं बेसल फंक्शन. ओके, बेसल फंक्शन. तो इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा जानना है, दैट व्हाट इज बेसल फंक्शन को कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं एंड व्हाट आर इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, सो वी हैव टू सी दिस. So Bessel function is represented by Jn of x. It is equal to 1 by 2 pi minus infinity to infinity e to the power jx sin theta minus n theta d theta. Okay, so I think you have also seen this function in your mathematics syllabus. So there are some properties that when Jn of x, that is Jacobian coefficient जो है, जब उसका value कम होता है, कब? As n increase, जैसे जैसे n का value बढ़ाते हैं, जैकोबियन और इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज बेसल फंक्शन, इसका जो कोफिशिएंट है उसका वैल्यू कम होता जाता है. इसका मतलब है J0x का वैल्यू सबसे ज्यादा होगा, अब J1x, J2x. सो जैसे जैसे n का वैल्यू बढ़ता जाएगा, Jn of x का वैल्यू कम होता जाएगा. यहाँ पर J0 है, मतलब Jnx है, Jn. सो J0, J1, J2 जैसे जैसे बढ़ते जाएंगे इसका Jn का वैल्यू कम होता जाएगा. सो इट कैन बी सीन यूजिंग अ ग्राफ. बेसल फंक्शन का एक ग्राफ है which I will show you later. Jn of x, j of minus x is equal to minus 1 to the power Jnx. So इसका जब हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे, in that case अगर n even हुआ, so this will be Jn of x, and when n is odd, j of minus x is equal to minus of Jnx. And the value of Jn square when summation is from minus infinity is 1, and Jnx always results in real quantity. Okay, so this ये हमेशा माइंड में रहना चाहिए कि हमेशा ये एक रियल क्वांटिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, एक रियल क्वांटिटी इसके रिजल्ट में आएगा. ओके, ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट Bessel function or Jacobian function. It is also known as Jacobian function. Now we have to find out the expression for wideband FM. As we already know, the single tone FM जो होता है उसका expression हम लोग already निकाल चुके हैं, है ना. Single tone FM का जो expression है, that we have already found out that S of FMT is equal to A cos omega CT plus MF sin omega MT, where you know that A is the maximum amplitude of the carrier, omega C is the carrier frequency, MF is the modulation index, omega M is the modulating signal frequency. So this is also represented as A cos omega is represented as 2 pi f, omega is equal to 2 pi f. This is angular frequency. So omega c is equal to 2 pi f. So 2 pi f c t plus mf of sine 2 pi fmt. So when we express in the exponential term, then it can be represented as S of fmt is equal to a into real part of this e to the power I j 2 pi fct plus mf of sine 2 pi fmt, which we have seen in the first class of fm also. Okay. So let the equation 1. So this is the equation 1. तो इस इक्वेशन 1 में यहाँ पर दो पार्ट्स हमें फिर से दिख रहे हैं, जैसा कि हमने कल भी देखा था नैरो बैंड एफएम में। क्या देखा था हमने कि ये इसमें दो पार्ट्स हैं, e टू द पावर j 2 pi fct वाला पार्ट, ओके, और दूसरा पार्ट कौन सा पार्ट है? दूसरा पार्ट है ये mf sin 2 pi fmt, ओके। वी हैव टू पार्ट्स, फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट। तो इस सेकंड पार्ट को हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर कंसीडर कर रहे हैं अभी। लेट इन इक्वेशन 1 x of t is equal to e to the power j mf 2 pi fmt, ओके। तो क्योंकि ये यहाँ पर प्लस साइन है, प्लस साइन का क्या मतलब है कि e टू द पावर a प्लस b अगर है तो इसका इट कैन बी रिटन एज e टू द पावर a, सॉरी इसको it can be written as e to the power a into e to the power b, okay. So it can be written like this. So इसी का यूज करके हमने इसे अलग अलग कर लिया और इसे हमने xt मान लिया, ओके। इस पूरे टर्म को यहाँ से यहाँ तक को हमने क्या माना है, xt माना है। So e to the power j mf 2 pi fmt is a periodic function with t is equal to 1 by fm, okay. So it is a periodic function. Now here we need the Fourier series, the use of Fourier series. As we know that the exponential Fourier series is represented as x of t is equal to summation minus infinity to infinity cn e to the power j n omega naught t, where cn is the coefficient, where omega naught is equal to 2 pi by t is equal to 2 pi fm, okay. So where cn is the 1 by t, where t is the time period, 1 by t minus t by 2 to t by 2 xt e to the power j n omega naught t. I think all of you have seen this in Fourier series while you are studying mathematics. So now this e to the power j mf sin 2 pi fmt. So अभी हमारे पास जो यहाँ पर xt है, xt को हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट क्या कर रहे हैं, this xt is represented as this in terms of Fourier series. So now this can be represented as minus infinity to infinity cn e to the power j n 2 pi fmt. So what we have got here previously. So what this xt is e to the power j mf 2 pi fmt So here we have again xt is represented as minus infinity cn e to the power j n omega naught t. So in the same way, if this will represented, this is represented as j mf sin 2 pi fmt minus infinity to infinity cn e to the power j 2 pi fmt, where cn is what? Cn is 1 by 2 fm, where the time period is fm, 1 by fm, that is टाइम पीरियड। तो t इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई एफ होता है। सो टाइम पीरियड को अगर हम लोग फ्रीक्वेंसी की टर्म में दिखा रहे हैं तो इट शुड बी 1 बाई एफ एम, वेयर t by 2 that is 1 by 2 fm minus 1 by 2 fm to 1 by fm, where e to the power j mf sin 2 pi fm t. So this is what? This is the value of xt. This is the value of xt, okay. E to the power j mf sin 2 pi fm t into e to the power j n omega naught t. So e to the power j n 2 pi fm t, whatever we have. So it should be equal to, so now there is a calculation. There is a calculation. that this is also E, this is also E, so these powers are added. Now, what is the value of j and x? J and x is the 1 by 2 pi minus pi to pi e to the power j x sin theta minus n theta. तो here let 2 pi fmt, यहाँ पर जो आया है 2 pi fmt को हम लोग क्या मान ले रहे हैं? It is represented as theta. So 2 pi fm dt, when we have differentiated this, so is equal to d theta. So dt is equal to 1 by 2 fm d theta. Also, for t is equal to minus 1 by 2 fm. For t is equal to minus 1 by 2 fm, because it is the lower limit of the integral. So at t is equal to minus 1 by 2 fm, theta is equal to, so t is equal to 1 by 2 fm रख रहे हैं. In that case, theta is equal to, for this case, theta is equal to 2 pi fm, it is can to minus pi, and for t is equal to 1 by 2 fm, that is the upper limit, it is calculated as pi. So the equation of Cn becomes, so ये सारे जो values अभी आए हैं यहाँ पर, इन सारे values को जब यहाँ पर रखा गया, then we have got fm is equal to minus pi to pi e to the power j mf sin theta minus n theta. So what we have we have found out the value of dt as dt as 1 by 2 pi fm d theta. So in place of dt, we have put the d theta by 2 pi fm. Now fm, so यहाँ देख रहे हैं तो नीचे ये fm है और यहाँ ये fm है, दोनों कट जाएगा. Then we will have 1 by 2 pi ब्रैकेट से इस इंटीग्रल से बाहर आएगा e to the power j mf sin theta n theta d theta. So this is nothing but, this whole equation is nothing but a Jacobian function. So this is similar to a Jacobian function expression. So it can be represented as Jn of mf. Okay, so this Cn is represented as what? Jn of mf. So whatever previously we have got, we will put the value of this Cn in terms of Jn of mf. So you can see that using the value of Cn equation 2, whatever we have got, e to the power j mf sin 2 pi fmt यहाँ पर रखेंगे. So यहाँ जो Jn of mf लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पर पहले Cn था और बाकी सारा कुछ सेम है. You can see it after the class. Now using the equation 1, we have equation 1 में ये सारे values को डाल दें, e to the power j 2 pi mf 2 pi fmt. Then we have got a real part of e to the power j 2 pi fct, ये पहले से था. इसके अलावा दूसरा जो पार्ट जो था माइनस इंफिनिटी टू इंफिनिटी jn of mf e to the power jn 2 pi fmt. So this is the total part which we have put here in place of Cn. Okay, so we have got the real part as minus infinity to infinity jn of mf e to the power j 2 pi fc plus n fmt. So यहाँ पर ये कहाँ से आ गया अभी fc plus n fmt. तो यहाँ पर देख रहे हो ये भी यूलर्स के फॉर्म में है, ये भी यूलर्स के फॉर्म में है. सो दिस इज एडेड. सारे को हम समीशन के अंदर ले आए, इसे भी हम क्या किए, समीशन के अंदर ले गए. इसे हम समीशन के अंदर ले गए तो क्या हुआ यहाँ पर ये e to the power j 2 pi fct है और यहाँ पर e to the power j n 2 pi fmt है. तो j 2 pi ये तीनों कॉमन है, j 2 pi कॉमन है दोनों में, j 2 pi कॉमन है, j 2 pi. यहाँ क्या बच गया, fct t भी कॉमन है और यहाँ पर बच गया n fmt. So fc और fm यहाँ पर बच जाएगा. Okay, you can calculate it easily. So in this way we have got the equation as s of fmt is equal to a summation of, so real part है, इस real part को हटा दिया हमने अभी. So jn of mf cos 2 pi fc plus n fmt. So ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है, ये जो वैल्यू है, इसमें रियल पार्ट और इमेजिनरी पार्ट दोनों है, बट वी आर इंटरेस्टेड विथ द रियल पार्ट ओनली. ओके, तो हमने क्या किया, इसमें से रियल पार्ट को यहाँ लिख दिया. तो रियल पार्ट मतलब e to the power j theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta plus j sin theta होता है. तो j sin theta वाले पार्ट को हमने छोड़ दिया, हमने सिर्फ cos theta वाले पार्ट को यहाँ रखा, हमने सिर्फ रियल पार्ट को यहाँ पर रखा है. ओके, so this is the general, then which is the general expression of a single tone wideband FM. So here you can see that minus infinity Jn of mf cos 2 pi fc plus nfmt for mf greater than 1. तो यहाँ पर अभी क्या है, ये Jn of mf जो है डिफरेंट n के वैल्यूज के लिए Jn of mf का वैल्यू जो आएगा वो अलग अलग आएगा. तो इसीलिए जब n के वैल्यू को हम 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 इस तरह से वैल्यू जब रखते हैं तो डिफरेंट वैल्यूज आता है. तो in that case we will have number of frequency components, or we can say that we have infinite number of sidebands. Okay, so where the amplitude of each sideband is determined by the corresponding Bessel function. तो ये जो बेसल फंक्शन है, इसी बेसल फंक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग जो होगा हर एक कंपोनेंट का, हर एक स्पेक्ट्रल कंपोनेंट का एक वैल्यू होगा, जो कि हमने यहाँ ऊपर दिखाया है पिक्चर में. मैंने इसे बाद में ड्रॉ किया है. सो एट FC वी हैव AC J0 MF by 2 at FC plus FM. So what we have FC plus NFM. You can see here you can see. So we have FC plus NFM. So Fn का वैल्यू हम 0 से शुरू करेंगे. 0 plus 1 0 plus minus 1, 0 plus minus 2, 0 plus minus 3. Okay. So मैंने यहाँ पर पहले क्या रखा, n का वैल्यू 0 रखा. In that case we have AC J0 by 2. Okay. FC plus FM. So n is equal to 1 here. For that we have a spectral component as AC J1 MF by 2. For minus n, for minus 1, it is for plus 2, it is for minus 2. So in this way, so this is the first order LSB. You can see that here it is written that it is a for first order USB. Here the component is first order USB. Here is the second order USB. In the same way we have here it is the first order LSB. Okay, and it is the second order LSB. So in this way we can get first order, second order, third order. But it may happen that we are interested with the significant sidebands only. Significant sidebands मतलब जिनका भी कुछ particular value हो. इसमें बहुत सारे जो components होंगे that may not be of which they have very less amount of signal or immeasurable, which cannot be measured very easily. So we will eliminate all those components and we will take only the measurable components. Okay, so yeah, so from the expression which we have got, we can say about the frequency components as the carrier term cos 2 pi fct with magnitude A J0 MF, that is carrier term is reduced by a factor of J0 MF, which is unity when MF is equal to 0, that is there is a no modulation. Okay, so here we have this is A, that is the amplitude of the carrier signal, and the coefficient of this is Jn of MF. So based on this Jn of MF, the amplitude of this will also vary. So carrier term cos 2 pi fct with magnitude A J0 MF, that is the carrier term is reduced by a factor of this. Carrier is reduced by this, which is unity when MF is equal to 0 for no modulation. Okay, again theoretically there will be infinite number of sidebands which I have told. Produced and amplitude is decided by corresponding Bessel function coefficient. Okay, due to infinite number of sidebands, ideal bandwidth should be infinite. अब हमने क्या कहा कि ideally क्या होता है, infinite number of sidebands होते हैं, इसीलिए इसका bandwidth क्या होना चाहिए, infinite होना चाहिए. But sidebands with small amplitudes are ignored. जैसा कि हमने कहा पहले भी कि जो sidebands जिनका amplitude बहुत ही कम है, we are not interested, we will not go for that. And sideband with considerable amplitude, that is significant sidebands, are accepted. So bandwidth become finite. Okay, ideally it should be infinite, but we will make it finite by eliminating some of the sidebands which are of very small amplitude. Okay. So now narrow band FM. For a small value of MF, we have already seen that for a small value of MF, we will have narrow band FM. So this is the theoretical part from the expression which we have got. So please go through this theoretical part, okay, so that I can go further. Okay, so all of you join again because the time is lapsing now.